Across Ireland, native red squirrels are making a comeback. In part, it's thanks to these, pine martens, which are also increasing. They eat squirrels, but seem better at catching invasive greys, which carry a disease deadly to the reds. Martens will also take prey like mice and birds, but that requires woodland rich in wildlife, not something associated with trees planted for timber. The problem with this kind of commercial forestry is that it essentially eliminates biodiversity. Very little light gets through the evergreen canopy, nothing grows on the forest floor, so there's no food source for insects and other small mammals. Now, an academic study says big commercial forests don't lend themselves to conservation of the red squirrel because they may be the only thing available on the menu for the resident pine martens.
You've got a very simplified forest whereby there's not many prey options. So when you've got an animal like a red squirrel present, it's quite a tasty meal for a pine marten, so they're going to go for those.
So they say there needs to be a conversation about the types of forest we're planting to balance the interests of climate, commercial timber and biodiversity, especially the much loved red.
They're in recovery. Now, that's not to say that they're safe. They're definitely not safe. If there was no conservation work carried out on red squirrels, they could be extinct in Ireland within our lifetime. Ireland
is one of the least forested countries in Europe, and getting the planting right could help this native mammal colonise more parts of it. Conor McCauley, RTE News, County Down.